What you are looking at right now is a fully self-contained home on wheels. Kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, solar power, fresh water, and four-wheel drive stuffed inside a vehicle that parks in a normal city spot. This thing is 5 meters long, fits down narrow mountain roads, gets nearly 30 miles to the gallon on diesel, and it was built in Japan, which means the engineering is so obsessively clever, it will make you genuinely angry at every oversized American RV you've ever seen. This is the Toyota Camroad 4x4 diesel. And after this tour, you will never look at an RV the same way again. Let's talk price first, because this is where it gets wild. If you are in the US and you want a classic 1998 model, now eligible for import under the 25-year rule, you are looking at $18,000 to $26,000. A 1998 Toyota Camroad 4WD recently sold for around $22,000. For a fully functional four-wheel drive diesel motorhome with a kitchen and a bathroom. Meanwhile, a bloated American Class C with a gas engine that gets 10 miles per G Allen starts at $80,000, $100,000 for something that can't go off-road, can't park downtown, and will spend half its life in a repair shop. The Camroad does not play by those rules, not even close. So let's start outside. The first thing that hits you is the sheer compactness at between 4.8 and 5.3 meters, roughly 16 to 17 feet. This motorhome is shorter than most long bed pickup trucks, but don't let the size fool you. This is not a compromise. This is a masterclass in proportion. The body sits high and boxy in the best possible way, maximising every cubic inch of interior volume while keeping the footprint tight enough to navigate real roads in real towns. Japan doesn't have wide open highways and massive rest stops. Everything is built for precision, and it shows. Now let's go inside, because this is where the Camroad completely breaks your brain. You step through the door and your first instinct is to look for the catch. It is too small outside to have all of this inside. But there is no catch, there is only Japanese engineering. Every surface, every panel, every millimetre has been accounted for. Storage lives in places you'd never think to look: under the bed platform, above the cab, inside the dinette seating, behind panels that look purely decorative until you slide them open and find a perfectly sized cabinet. The sleeping situation, usually where compact motorhomes fall apart, is solved brilliantly here. The overcab area is a fixed double bed. A real one, not a mattress you wrestle into place at 10 p.m. It is just there, always ready. Then the rear dinette converts into a second sleeping surface with minimal effort. A couple of latches and a cushion repositioning, giving you space for 4 to 6 people inside a vehicle that parks in a standard spot. That is not magic, that is obsessive, disciplined design. The furniture operates on a transformer principle. Things fold, slide, extend, and collapse in ways that make you want to document every movement. The dinette table drops to free up floor space. Overhead lockers run the full length of the living area and are actually deep enough to be useful, not the decorative shelf space you get in American coaches. The kitchen galley delivers everything you need: a 2 or 3 burner cooktop, a pressurized sink, and a compressor fridge. An actual compressor-driven refrigerator that holds temperature properly even in summer heat. Every drawer has a catch, every cabinet has a latch, because this vehicle moves, and the Japanese engineers never forgot that. So here is my question for you, and I genuinely want to know: if you could import a late model Toyota Camroad 4x4 diesel, fully spec'd with solar and diesel heat, for somewhere around $50,000 to $65,000 landed and complied, would you take that over a brand new American RV at the same price? Drop your answer in the comments right now. Trade the square footage for the capability, the fuel economy, and the engineering. Yes or no? I already know what I'd choose, and if this video got you thinking about what else is hiding in the Japanese domestic market, machines that never made it west but absolutely should have, the next video is sitting right there on your screen. Click it, you will not regret it.